All right, worksheet day 26. Personal finance again under the section life, fire, and auto insurance. It says Frank Adams, a male, age 22, purchased a $325 straight life insurance policy. And we have different things for age depending on if they're male or female and what kind of life insurance policy they have. And so I'm going to look here, age 22. He is a male and he's doing straight life, so if I go across there, $6.35. It's per $1,000 of coverage. So just like before when we had per $1,000, we're going to take that $325,000, we're going to divide it by 1,000, and so, rewrite that so you can read it, 325,000. So if I'm going to divide by 1,000, I'm going to take off 3 zeros, and I'm going to use 325 times the rate, $6.35 per 1,000. So I'm just going to take 635 times 325, and I get $2,063.75 to find his annual premium for the policy. So that's how much he'd pay for a year to have that straight life insurance policy. Number 2, Amy Torres, a female, age 28, purchased a $250,000 20-year endowment life insurance policy. And if you go through the reading on this, it will tell you the difference of all these different kinds of life insurances. But we're looking at a 20-year endowment, and we're female, so we got to go all the way across to the last number, which is $17.55 per $1,000. So if I take my $250,000, divide it by 1,000, since we're per 1,000, I'm going to knock off 3 zeros, so I'm going to take this times 250. So $17.55 times 250 gives me an annual policy rate of $4,387.50. So that's how much annually she would pay for that coverage. Made it a little easier when the table's actually on the worksheet. Don't have to hop back and forth. This one says a male, age 43, so I'm looking here at age 43, purchased a $200,000 20 payment life insurance policy. So 20 payment male is going to be $21.21 per $1,000 of coverage. So if we have 200,000 and we divide it by 1,000, we're going to multiply by 200. So $21.21 times 200 gives me $4,242 annually that he would pay for that insurance. So on number 4, it says Frank Adams purchased a $170,000 straight life insurance policy. After paying premiums for 5 years, he's decided to cancel the policy. So this has built up some value over the course of those 5 years. We want to find the cash value at the end of the 5 years, the reduced paid up insurance amount, and then the length of time offered by the extended term insurance option. So again, I'm going to look at this after paying the policy for 5 years. So I'm going to use this top row in my table. The cash value per $1,000 again, I'm going to take 29 times the number per 1,000. So if I have 170,000 and I divide by 1,000, I'm going to use the 170. So times 170. So the cash value, 29 times 170 is $4,930. The reduced paid up insurance amount is the $86 per $86,000 of coverage. And so again, I'm going to multiply by that 170. So 86 times 170 means it's $14,620. That's the amount of insurance he had paid up to. So the length of the time offered by extended term, instead of taking the cash value, they would extend his term and it would cover him for 9 years and 91 days. If we look at number 5. Number 5 then, Amy Torres purchased a $140,000 straight life insurance policy. After paying premiums for 10 years, she's decided to cancel the policy. And so she paid up to 10 years. The cash value at the end of 10 years, we would take the 96 per $1,000. So if I divide that by 1,000, we're going to use the 140. So 96 times 140, $13,440. The reduced paid up insurance amount, we're going to use this number from the table, $259 per $1,000. So again, we're going to use that 140. 259 times 140 gives me $36,260. And then the length of the time offered by extended term insurance is that they would have 18 years, 76 days. Number 6, Bob Perez purchased a $55,000 straight life insurance policy after paying premiums for 15 years. So we're going to go here for 15 years. He has decided to cancel the policy. The cash value at the end of 15 years, we're going to take 148 times, it's per $1,000. So if I divide by 1,000, so just the 55. 148 times 55 gives me $8,140. The reduced paid up insurance amount would be this one right here, $371. Again, it's per $1,000, so we use the 55. So 371 times 55 would give us $20,405. And then the length of time offered by extended term insurance option, we would use this one here. So 20 years and 165 days. And that is the end of that homework page. It was fairly short and sweet. And so that was worksheet day 26. Under personal finance, these were the life insurance, life, fire, and auto is under that section. So again, you can look at your pie chart, see if you have any of those.